Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. Are very special, guys, and I'm coming live and clear from my beautiful home. This is what I'm calling home, guys. And actually, guys, I want to say thank you a million for welcoming to my channel and watching my videos until the end. If for the first time, guys, subscribe and like my videos. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And guys, I thank God every single minute for the gift of life, so to be alive also, and to see amazing day like this, man, you know. So I'm breathing free air, so from my God, guys. So right now I'm taking my baby outside, and I want to go to my plumber's workshop, and actually I'm going to pick some stuff that I needed. Like I'm missing with one gutters and some pipe, so I'm going there to take everything, and also I'll come back with the plumber. So today is to fix the tank. Actually, guys, the work for today is to fix the tank and to done piping, guys, piping, and then maybe when something mess, I'll work on it maybe on Monday or next week there, and then I think I shall finish. But I want to say, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you by keep with me watching my videos, show me some love, and all the way positive vibe, vibe. So guys, stay tuned as I'm going to see my plumber, guys. Stay tuned. Well, guys, so I'm just over here at my plumber's place. So today we are going to fix the tank and also done the plumbing, guys. So we're remaining with the gutters. One gutters here. The pipe on the race. Guys, this is my plumber here. Say hello.
Hello, Mambo.
Yes. What? Mambo is how are you? One gutters. Is that tosha? Sile nilipeleka.
Kwa ni moja tu.
Wachukua futo ni dai.
Nini?
Si pipe kama itatosha.
Oh. Oya.
Najua sasa hivi unaendai kitu ngapi? Pipe zile mbili nyeusi na hii.
Pipe mbili. Tigambe ngote.
Wow, guys. So there's a time I came here. Ni pipe mbili unaendai tupeleka mbili. So hii gather sinaenda kufidia hapo. Wow, guys. So we take this one, and also we're going to fix the tank, guys, today, because I see the rain goes down and give me enough time. So the moment it starts raining, now it's quite tea. Well, guys, oh hey. Okay. So you know, sometimes if I doesn't have things, okay, you put on record. Yeah, guys. Sometimes I didn't have money. My plumber stand for, and then when you get money, I pay it. Wow. So you need to keep it on record. I'm the first one. Here. Lichukua kila kitu.
Hapa kuna kitu ndani. Gata zilikuwa pisi mbili gata.
Gata sini gani?
No, hii ni gata connector. Connector. Gata zilikuwa 4 pieces.
Hey. So tulishega moja. Oh, guys, so just make the record. So these things are needed, and it's good to keep the record on the book. So when I came to pay later,
18,000.
Alright, so it's time to go. And I have my brother here. Say hello.
Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to this.
Because of radio, come here, bro. Woo! Yeah, because of the music, guys.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to this amazing vlog every day. My name's Gake. Oh, put the camera. My name's Gake. Guys, you just bringing camera into my face. No, put there. You must know how to catch good angles, guys. Like, for example, that way, you see that not too far, not too close. So, what's up, guys? Welcome back to this amazing vlog every day. My name's Gake. Actually, we are just coming like from this amazing place that is at the at the plumbing. And guys, actually, if you're first time watching this, watch till the end, subscribe, and also share this video to your families, to your friends, and to your loved one, guys. And also, guys, watch till the end.
Yes. So, guys, I want to pick something here, and also my baby is helping me a lot, guys. He's over there. That's my baby, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, finally reach home. Crazy situation. Have the gutters here and my plum. So that's my brother, Mr. Gake. So today, say hello. Hey, my sister to the world. Sasa hapa tulizuia maji chache. Hapa sijuseme katuke mkire. Sunera maji yanatoka chini.
Mimi sina shida.
Ile height yako ni ile.
Me, I have no problem.
Something my plan, but your height is there. Sasa hapa nataka tangi kikaa.
Sasa. Unapa hara hivi. Toka kwa mimi hara.
Nataki pomba. Nataki kae somewhere hapa. Hapa tu. I want the pipe to be You see, guys, so the tap will be here. Right, at the same time I'm digging here, one will be here. Ino rapi hano chindomba chi.
Kama chino chikusikira manza sichira hili.
Chindomba chi.
Chimachi mwachi.
Okay.
Sasa mtu ndiki ni sisa kitu.
Jembe. Wewe tuweke mark. Yeah, so don't put a mark. There's the mark, and also kiga charge. Don't interfere. Yuko sababu hapa. Hey, you know that I'm parking my motorbike. It will be here.
Mam kumbe pe morente.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, guys. Yeah.
Chembe kama rekane. Dakanya hanu hike. Hanu hike.
Hanu. Kuma perto no kuya hayo.
Hanu hike.
Sama ya hanu.
Kuya hayo yego. Basi chiga. Kumbe hike.
Right, guys. So today I will finish the work, and also I'll be the handman in other ways. So I need to change the clothes and all stuff. You know what I mean, guys? Huh? Don't go get them. You're gonna do here. There's some Monday. Mama anakuambia amanzinga arikugera hano marubuku ndamaze tutaratore gam. Yes. Wow, this is my gumboot tour. Today I wanna be the handman. Oh man. So let's see, guys. Let's see whether I can manage. But I'm busy to touch, eh?
Chiga.
So guys, I need to change the clothes, and I wanna be on the next uniform. Wow guys, I'm on the other look. So that being said, I wanna be the hand man, and that is it. So I want to wear the gumboot and to take a jembe, putting here. So I wanna wear the gumboots. Imagine I have this gumboot, all mine. So for the work is this one here. Wow guys, I'm telling you, I'm changing, and I want to be on the next. Oh, I want to dig the foundation, guys. Here, I'm the hand man today. Endo ambia mtoe hiyo wire. Okay, so I want to remove this cable here. You know, serious matter. This is how we fix the light. Imagine guys, it's so crazy guys. Wow, we shall meet when I'm digging there. At the same time, my plumber is fixing these gutters here. Kino kira mukiri goro chachi. Iga.
Ratri muki.
Iga big. Guys, so at the same time, my plumber is fixing the gutters, and also I wanna dig right now, guys. So I want to cut the look. Yenye hapa hata hiyo sana. So kwenge ke bhai
rakiri kira to raha pade namne ribi wanya
botevi tutema ugonde hano anko
mutambi
guys, so by now I'm going to check the work for today, and actually today I want to fix the tank, and also I'm the handman for now, but I give people some work here to do. So I'm heading this way, and actually guys, you know what, I want to show you today's work, guys, you know. So technically, if you remember this cloth, man, all this overall, I came from far with this cloth, but I'm trying to find my cape. I didn't get it, and for now I'm just walking around here. And actually, oh, I remember, guys, my mom sent me go and check the cows. So right now I'm heading to check the cow because we have too much of the sunny, guys, but it's okay. So you know, right now no place to graze the cow, so we're turning around inside the road like this way here. It's okay, guys. If you know, you know, guys. If you remember this cloth, drop on the comment section. Wow, our cow is doing good. Wow, we have the beautiful cow here. Hey, they are chewing. So actually the reason why I've been here of this forest is to come and check our cow where it's doing good, and sometimes they need to rotate to the other side or to other angle to graze, man. So for now, guys, I'm going back home. So technically this cloth, I have some beautiful story for it. When I was starting at David Junior's construction site, I was having this cloth, and it's been a while, so I kept it in my house, and I'm going to search with the cape, but I didn't find the red barret, man. So I wear like Chris Marvin. So for now I was working. I'm trying to dig the foundation 3 feet deep, but I didn't manage because I feel like I'm tired, man. So I found one of our neighbor. So right now I give that job. You know, when God uplifts you with something, try to share with other people. So that's how I'm living in my village here. So technically I want to show you guys. Are you ready for this? This is my beautiful village. It's noon time, and actually today it's on Saturday. I wish you all Sabbath day. All Sabbath day, I wish you all the best. May God bless you, and also keep watching my videos from the church and continue to keep me on your prayer. Although my family, it's a Roma Catholic church. If you know, you know. If you are Roma, just drop in the comment. I will be able to know. So my entire family, actually my dad's home, technically it's purely Roma, you know. So and today is on Saturday. I wish all servant day blessed Saturday. So let's move on and see my work. Wow, you can see how our calf, my mom's calf, grazing, man. Look, wow, look. So in my village here, nothing changed, but some activity change, you know. So that being said earlier, today I can work on my project over there, actually on my modern toilet. Tomorrow I can work on my tank, but today I want to say, God, thank you so much. I'm going to finish fixing the tank, and then I'm heading back to my modern toilet. So I want to work on that to fix the tiles. So after that, man, I'm ready to see for the next level, maybe for my mama dream house, guys. And honestly, if you support on my mom's house, just support, guys. So in order maybe by next year I build my mama dream house here, 3-bedroom, man. So it's enough. So I think so. Look how my village looks like, guys. It's noon time and everything's shining. Guys, what about you? Let me know in the comment section, guys. It's so hot here. Wow, it's so hot, you know. So I'm just grinding hard, and I'm here to tell you guys, I'm just flow with positive vibe, guys. That's my grandma cows chilling here on time, you know. Wow, look at that one. So I'm heading this way, and that's how our village cows looks like. So I wanna greet my grandma, and I see from the far end taking something small. So don't forget, guys, I'll join the videos while I'm transporting the bricks from here to my entire home over there. So to build that circular we called tank to avoid water going inside. Guys, follow with the vibe. This is your son, Hello Baby Official. Well, guys, yeah, my grandma tried to dried here some cassava, and actually, guys, this cassava, this millet, finger millet, and sorghum, this maize. So to have brown porridge, and also this is some maize corn here. Wow, this is where my grandma living right now here. Boko, ikiore, kiukunya, kirungura kanya. Oh, guys, kana nunga kombora hai. Hai.
Mono mu warari mino. Ando muita kabu ara chakulini.
Muita
wini. Kaganya kabu. Ono hayu bara chakulisi.
Oh.
Mono mu.
Oh, guys, so I'm just over here with my great grandmother. So, guys, I'm so blessed to have grandmother, which is a good thing. What about you guys? You know, these are the people for 19th century. As you can see, they look rather than mine. You see, there's a big maybe those old days or back years, people believe in taboos, but for us things change. Yeah. Wow, guys, so I was greeting my grandma over there, and I have the off-camera stories with my grandma. Sorry, guys, for the sun. It's so hot. You can see that's how my village looks like. Oh man, that's my mom's materials for the dream house, but it's moving crazy. It's used, and guys, if you want to support in tippers of stones, you can do so, guys. Love is for free. So I'm just over here, guys. Let me show you our recently washroom, man. It's so crazy here. Look, and by now I transform to other side. It's by God's grace, man, and to your support I made it. So right now you can see these things here, but for me, I'm so comfortable to use this one. If you know, guys, I'm so comfortable to use this one. But this is my life of my village style. I'm born and raised here, and I found things the way they are here. It's like this way here. Also, look, it's hiding on our bushy flowers here. Wow. So today I want to show you. Look, hey Marab. Wow. So I want to show you. That's my grandma home. That's my home. Fish. That's what I get him. Wow, I want to show you some work. Tata tena. Hey. Tana shida. Mzee chachi. Ndraha gacha. Yeah, daddy. Nitajengewa tena. Wow, guys. Tata takanya muturi wikali. Oh guys. Oh! Finally I'm in, guys. So look. There is the work and that is the foundation, guys. Look. We try to today, guys. Morning I start and it's so hard. And we demolish everything. After the tank fixed, I wanna put those stones. My sister to the world, say hello. Hello. That's my sister. That's my brother over there. I have my plumber here, guys. Imagine. So look, guys. But it's so concrete, guys. You see how African are being intelligent, guys. So maybe I can walk inside here. And okay. Wow, guys, look. This foundation, guys, looking from there. That's my plumber. Calm down.
Men are on work.
Men are on work. That's my cousin here. Oh, guys. So, yeah, I want to see. You see how the tank was being fixed. Look. This one here. This is where water we've been running here. Like going. And here we put the tap here. Nyaboni. Ndugu yako ni safi. Ndio niletee simu. Bab. Achunge hili simu. Achunge hili simu. Uhiuge tore mwita. Makuya kutumba. Alright, so because I'm on boat, so I'm requesting my phone. Well, guys, so for those people waiting maybe to fix the tank, today is my time. That's not mine, ma'am. Tama hukuya kuharangu tore camera. Kondere side ingine, ma. Wow. Yukina. Yeah. All right. So I will show you guys some work. Well, guys, I want to show you how they have been making some cleanness, and the time is running up. It's 13:15. A local time. There's my brother inside. Say hello.
Hello.
He's inside the tank cleaning. And my sister's watching. Something wrong? Diana told me. Wow. This is my plumber here. Calm down.
Move. See move.
See move.
Move. See move. See move. You move.
You see the cleaning inside there? You see?
Money.
And guys, over there, there's where water entering on that small green stuff.
Outlet.
Outlet. The inlet is where?
Inlet is here.
Inlet.
Hey.
The outlet must be here. Inlet is that one.
No,
What?
that's outlet.
Outlet.
Inlet will be in somewhere here.
Maybe when my tank is full of water, you don't have some free inlet.
Overflow.
Overflow.
It's move.
My sister move. She move.
No.
Yeah, guys. And guys, this humble request from you. for those people asking me, hello baby, your mom is struggling. So today I fixed the tank. It's a courtesy of one of your subscribers made it possible. 1 or 2, I want to say thank you so much, mom. May God bless you. So 100%, no more struggling. No more struggling. Oh. So because of the short time, and this is what my plumber used, because I didn't have some power here, so we use local. We have jiko. Eh? Sorry. Sorry.
Rasa kuhe nani koiri je nani.
Okay guys, this for the plumbing, and we use jiko because
local method of having electrical.
Yes, no electrical here, so we use jiko and some we called glue. Things like fire, guys. You see, that's fire. That's fire, and it's connected by electrical wires. You can see here. So home here things change. Let's show you what's my mom cooking here. You see, they try to prepare lunch time. There's something there, inside there, maybe some veggies, and this is how my mom's kitchen looks like.
I want to move to the moon. What way go to? Way go to the boat. What do you cook?
Hilo si unajua kichimba maji yanatoka hivi yanafika hapa. Futi moja. Guys, this place is so deep. Huh? Futi tatu litai. Hii ni sababu ya tanki. Yuna chacha sana chimba futi mbili hapa ama mmoja.
Hata moja naweza zikafika. Sasa venyu. Mtaja. Sasa unaona kitu ninachotaka?
Folio.
Kile mtu kama hasara haribu kanatokara. Kuachana. Igachana. Alafu ndio tutatenda. Tukutweke wiki. Sasa
tajaribu kunyengelea like
motora kuyeko. Kwani mwangu tuna motora.
So guys, you doesn't have enough energy. Eh, nilie pesi mura. Ngora.
Mama mtakaje kuhusi.
Acha ubishi.
Tambuka kuchapa, mapate matambuka.
Tambuka kuchana dada.
Tambuka chini huko ngora.
Eh. Yeah.
Wagi update.
Kama nacha update.
Utaya mu.
Wewe ya mjerani.
Bora ukuira yekera aso yemunyo. Ha?
Sasa msizungushe hivyo. Zungusha hivi. Njooni nyinyi hivi. See guys, the process. Ota unyengelei. Mama tachuma tache kuichiko. Wow guys, you see how people are struggling to fix. Kuno? Pole pole. Oh.
Sasa.
Ora bomora mumunyogo no mosetiri hano.
Sasa. Renta kucheki. Kucheki. Mukiri go.
Mukiri wa mankuru.
Asali ngachika.
Tatiga iga ngora. Mona no igen toke. Ose. Chacha.
Kesari kire. Kimyo kire. Mzee chacha kimyo kire.
Tatia na mara.
Asikira ambe hasoma.
Tatia na
ndio kuchumbururi. Ndio kuchumbururi kabisa kumane kuchumbururi.
Well guys. You see?
What is this?
So maybe I will put some 2 iron sheet here to prevent it. Asolo cha manche kangara gara kini gara hands.
Kana ngoma nkiona kuibulia kana sasa yakeli kana.
Sasa mbele ngine nakabula nirare. Akili changire ratu manche swemu.
Mohi. Hai manche kataso. Bareka. Bareka antora hagate.
Unakati kwa gachwera kote ni boka.
Nini?
Hakuna kinani cha inchi moja.
Kinini?
Wagachwera kote ni boka.
Sasa isi.
Nioti gosora. Kana utachire na
Chap nani?
sasa hukuweka vitu na ulikumeka.
Twende chap.
Hey,
Don't
let's
waste
go.
time. Don't waste time.
Anturis.
Adoro moro. Usente kumoro.
Akotoro kusabe.
Well guys, so there's something mess up and we need to run with my plumber to his workshop, and actually when I get the money I'll pay it later. So for now, let's go. There's something missing. That is how my baby helped me a lot, going man around looking for and coming back. Oh man, so literally this is where I'm born and raised, guys. East African Kenya, Yabanse village to the world. So guys, stay tuned as am I going. Wow. Well guys, so it's time to go to pick something small from my plumber's place, you know. Well, we're heading this way, guys, and actually this is how my village looks like. Everything's green, man. Woo. Wow, my plumber say something.
Hello, mambo vipi? Coming down.
Okay, shika camera, get out. All like that. Okay.
Guys, life is not simple as you think. Life is a matter of struggling up and down. So we are moving like robots. See guys, we are moving. My driver is doing something good, very nice.
Something amazing.
Something amazing. See how he's cornering? No problem.
So do like this. Yes, you do like this.
Yeah, we are moving guys. Don't joke around.
Like this.
You can also see the green. Yeah. See how my place is very heavy.
Guys, 100% I'm healthy and not bad. If I come with a bicycle, let me show you. Yeah, they are riding, man. Look. Hey. Alright guys, so we shall meet in the next few minutes from here up to the hardware or from my plumber's workshop. Wow. Oh guys, so first thing, we just here with my plumber's home, and then we migrate, man, to other side. Whoa, because also we have some work that are going on here. I'm telling you, my entire village, everybody's building, man. You can see here. Look at the side, Pablo Junior's home. Oh, wow. So this plumber's workshop. Yeah, you can see. Amazing. Because of the music, guys, I want to show you a little bit. The washroom, man. Look, master bedroom. Oh, yeah. So we have this small music here, and it's like it's pipe. Is it a hey? And the same time is a music. Imagine. Imagine guys, it's a bulb 21 and then it is a red. Yeah? Atiana na you. Oh guys, you see some work going on here. Because of light.
Ijanyanyuka sana hiyo juu.
Onichi cho harwa chabe ku.
Ikiro ni mangi je haji.
Bona hanko morango twara kutoroka hare bafu bi.
Anugisa ba manchi igana. Turai kutacha manchi ka churuni. You cannot step on water while you are going for a long course.
Okay, do faster because of time.
No problem, we are going, but I have to give you the really concept.
Okay. This is a kitchen, man, here. This is a store? Okay. Maybe kitchen on the other side. Let me show you. Guys, I'm so confused, man. This sitting room or living room here, and also this is a kitchen. You can see some extension. Look, and here maybe you can wash up your stuff. The water going there, then cleaning water coming this way. Chacha 20. Yeah, 20 minutes. Let's go. Your fiance. You have matoke here. Guys, this is a village chicken. Eh. Ewamba manching buchakarimo. Kwano ne bafu nyumba. Hey. Man. Guys, this is matoke here. This is my plumber's home, guys. Look at that kuringori. Okay. You can see, guys, my village is purely improved, guys. Look even other side, there's tall building house. Look. You can see that view. So this is a hidden roof. It looks like similar to the villa. You can see. Wow. See, guys, how my village looks like. And also they have bananas. Wow. Look, guys, drop the sweet comment, and let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about today's vlog. Are very, very special. Woo. Guys, so we say goodbye. My plumber's home, guys, upcoming. So beautiful trees here, guys. Look, maybe in the future the shade will be coming here. We have another one here. Eh? What? Look, another one, guys. So these are some trees that I want to plant alongside on my project there. We say goodbye. So maybe one day I will show you when the house have been completed outside, everything. But for now, let's move on direct to the hardware to pick something small that is messed up, and then later when I get money, I'll top up. Look, so that's Chacha's brother's home, and also have some water running here, guys. I'm telling you, imagine this pipe. Ini bomba. Look, metal. Water is running inside there. Look, it's deep, and down there we have the house. Oh, Chacha, let's go, guys. It's time to go and pick something that I mess up on my plumber's hardware over there. No hair here. No hair here. Guys, everything is available here. Sinkers. You can see the sinkers are here. Let's see. There's something messed up. Ni gani Chacha hii? Chacha ni gani hii?
Ni hii ama hii?
Ona hii, maybe hii.
Kuna kama ni kipigo. Hakuna. Ipo hata kwenye kona hapa au hapa. Haka ndiko kafupi tu.
Kana pipiare ni gani? Hizi. Chacha hakuna.
Ni haka tu. Ni hii tu ndo kupi.
Tacho mama hebongo Twitter.
Kuambia.
Kwani sasa hii na hii mbana zinalingana? Try to find something here. Something amazing. You're looking what? Imagine, guys, everything is available here. Look, for plumbing. Chacha the plumber. Hey. Look, pipe, PVC, sinkers, everything, man, are available here. And also, there's no need you can go and maybe hire the plumber somewhere else. Also, when you purchase things for plumbing, the plumber also is here himself. Look the notice. Hakuna kuingia bila ruhusa. No entry without permission. Oh. Well, guys, for now it's time to go back home and to complete with our work. Look, guys, so my baby is there right now here. Guys, finally back home, and went for something small for the planting. And guys, because of time, I will meet you for the next. Hey, that's my mom, guys. Alright, guys, so we shall meet for the next few minutes because I'm rushing somewhere else, and then I'll coming back, and then I'll show you everything here. Well, guys, so I'm back home, so this is where the tap will be. Na tunakorogea mzee. Sikuna simiti. Let me see, maybe there's. Oh my god. Hey, this is a small cement here. I never have also a ceremony. So you see, guys, I came and then I found they've already dig and fixed the pipe. You can see over here. So this is what will become inside here. This one here, and then it's run all the way. Oh, nikuhimi kundi zile vibanio. Nikupatie.
Sisi unaleta zinafungwa hapo ndio ufuniko unafikiria.
So alafu hajui. Hapo kwenye mfuniko.
Hapana shida.
Sungeweka kitu.
Kitu gani?
Uchafu hizi ingia hapo vitu kama vumbi. Ona hapo.
Kikaraba kukula kama kitu kinataka.
Siweke tiro ligamu. Maana kama mtu akija kutoa ama basi weke na karatasi hivi.
Sasa hiyo negazo la kurumu.
Around. So guys, this water. Unajua mimi imagine kwa ndani mwita. Haya. Totoboa hapo.
Si ndio tunaona akili hapa inaingia akilini, wewe unaona nimekaa tu. Sio kama nimekaa, ni akili hii haija.
Yes, guys. So pipe imebaki.
Iko hapo leo baba.
Kumbe tulienda na hesabu.
Pipe leo baki ni hiyo.
Hii ile. Right.
Hata itatosha.
Hii inaenda kutumika pale.
Hii itatosha.
Tatosha hii yenye nakata hapo.
Hii itakata hapo itatumika pale na hii itatumika.
Hapa si elbow ndo unataka?
Kwani kitu uko ni kitu just.
Ni kana elbow ni re. Nacho. I'm totally blocked, guys. For now. So we supposed to 1
2 3
Sasa hapa you supposed to have your one elbow. 2 3 I know here straight. 1 2 3 4. Oh, almost 500.
Not 5 almost 1,000.
150 150.
Hey, times 4.
So here is 1 2 300 450 600. Oh guys, I'm going to do. From next week. So we try to put everything here. You see, and then here, when I get cement, I'll build here some foundation here. Hey, piga hivyo. Oh mama. Vipi?
Poa.
Mambo yanasonga.
Yanasonga.
Unaje?
Poa. Sikia vizuri.
Amazing work. Yes, guys, I'm going with time.
Nuraga ndicho kirisi kota tiane mwaitaro si.
Wow, guys. So here, Daddy shindiria na haya na yaru upeleke kwenda kukuta pale. So guys, I came and then I found they have already dig here. Hapa si pana jengo.
Bado kuna kitu ya kufanyika hapa pamoja.
Wapi?
Si hapo bado tujaweka ile hapo.
And then after tumemaliza watajenga hii.
Kitu kisha ndio maana unaona umeisukuma pipe iko ndani.
Sasa mbona michangi imeingia kule?
Hiyo haina shida.
Oh guys, so for now that is the work you see, and then I'm waiting to join here, and then hapa tutakuja kufunika hapa na tofali. Yes guys, after the tank are being fixed, I want to build with the bricks here. Huh? Bimbe.
Sasa ni kumba makotoro sana bara tore manchi imbre manchi katamu yatabana yunani.
So makina atunire. Tafanya turi atoro hano. Arachapia.
Sasa ra otebuti imbre to manchi.
Ibimbe.
Ibimbe kwanza umanye kukundikiria.
Okay. So wait. Kana gantu karako. Chacha gantu kanoko kago emono. Mama, tata manchi mbude kyano.
Chacha, arenza matafari. Agaraga banga iga inari garaga banga. Torente karatasi eno.
Kana hoso la tunake. Kama nje imo bado ngari humeka sirri.
Oh.
Mama ta chumbe. Mama, tartiri beshinu de kyano.
Ayo ni gongenga magono.
Mama, tartiri bongo. Yes guys, we want to make some cleanness here. You see the tank is dirty, and the work have been going on, guys. Look, them man chudek. Them man chahang man. So my mom, they want to do some cleanness because the tank have been laying there like 2 months. Hey mama, clean jaman. Yes. Mana maji yako na mafuta. Wow, see the amazing work here. Shindire kabisa. Sasa bwana hata kimi gatokoroke.
Hasekere kuya.
Kwa sababu hapa mjenda mbali, juu ng'ombe ikija kukanyaga usiku fulani mbele toe.
Kivutire ngamutukire.
How do you see?
Kene sarau tu.
Hata kamera tachifutie moneno.
Mama, safisha vizuri round. Jamani. Sika nige deo he. Ma, kuja hapa. Chacha. Hiyo kana kitaweka wapi? Maana rudi nacho. Utakuwa nafungaje maji?
Maji wapi?
Hii.
Sikiliza basi mimi ndio fundi.
Yes.
Mimi ndio niliweka kwa tisi na hizi vitu. Mbona mangana kakumbulia maswali ya mama na.
Well guys, so I need to take this, the remaining sand that you see here. I'll take outside, and you have another one here. Another one here. So when it's raining time, this place will be muddy. So I want to take it right now. So I thank God right now I have my own instrument or equipment like spade. Also have the wheelbarrow. So guys, honestly, when I get enough time, I'll put here some concrete. You heard? So the reason why being we put the tap here, we can't put the tap over there because of the movement and all stuff, man. You know what I mean? And right now it's supposed to be here. So here actually is the main point. So maybe my brother want to fetch water from here, they can fetch. Also me and my brother inside here, we can fetch. Also my mom, when she coming from their house, they want to fetch water here, going to the bathroom, going to the kitchen, and also the kitchen is over here. So to avoid those distance walking from there, going up to my mom's house to fetch water. So here, kitchen. Here we can use. So guys, drop on the sweet comment, guys, today's videos. What about do you think about today's videos? But it's very, very special, and I thank God the work that I done to my family, guys. And guys, to be honest, I have a lot of work to do for my family, guys. You know what I mean, guys. Yes, guys, I have a lot of work to do in my family, and through your support, guys, I can move. Like one day I could maybe believe that from my humble family where I'm coming from, and actually, guys, this is where I'm born and raised, guys. So one day I can't believe, oh, the tank will be there, but it's one of our courtesy of subscriber. Try to support on that, and I know for the haters, try to say, oh, this and this, and actually it's 5,000 liters, so it can help a lot for my family. Actually, imagine, guys, 20 years my mom went to the river fetching water, doing all stuff, man, since I was young, and I have that memory on my mind. So up to now, God is good, and God did it again. So right now my mom get water. So I think maybe when I get the money, like let me say $40, it can finish everything here that you see, because there are some parts that are remaining there. So let me show you guys. And for those $40, I can purchase elbow. So the elbow will be fixed here, and then another one here, because elbow will be here, water running to here, and then it's come this way, one elbow there coming this way. So here there's no need elbow, because the water will become straight from there, entering here. So we put there, we put here elbow here, and then the pipe will run straight entering here. And also here we'll put elbow, and then we run, and then we put another elbow to cover on top here. So this place here that you see, actually I'll put the concrete there to attach this place guys, sorry, to attach this pipe on the ground, because when water will become with force between gathers A coming this way, gathers B coming this way, so this one will be very weak. So I'll put there the concrete down, even on the, so when water is try to push this pipe, it will be concrete enough. So far so good. Right now I can say 8% we finish everything, and remaining with only some small maybe places like this one here. We cover the gutters here, also here, so when water is coming, it hit here and then go inside on this stuff, and also this one here. So everything is so amazing, it's super amazing. And then this pipe will be cut around here, and then the elbow will be here. So this one will be coming back like this way, and then the elbow will be joining, and then the mason will create a hole here. So, and then I think so when everything is completed, I'll cover this place here. You can see this is where my my plumber put the hole, so this place to the elbow to enter. So although they have not finished the work, you can see even here. So we want to put here, and actually this one is removable, so only this one elbow. So when I want to wash the gutters, if it's dirty, I'll move here, and then I'll wash, the water running out, and then I'll fix, you know. And on the top, I'll put the trapping net, you know. So trapping net to prevent maybe some leaves going on that gutters, entering to the pipe, so it can maybe making misleading of the pipe, so the water will not running. So, and guys, I'm saying this for those people who are asking me, hello baby, oh, on the comment section, the tanks is lying down, fix for your mom. And actually guys, you know, when you want to done maybe construction, not put more pressure on things like, oh, building this and oh, you heard when I build on the ground, so the first mason make a mistake, and then I went to Tanzania, I brought one of the mason, and then he make everything, so he finish up, so that when the water will be full here, so this tank will be expand. And I want to know the level of the tank when it's expand, coming so big. And then actually I will try to cover those places that you see here. And actually we left some, how am I calling? We left the big space, so when it's expand, it give me enough time, and then I'll cover this place. Wow guys, there is some eagle passing there. Wow. And guys, right now, what do you think about? Because our compound, it's somehow small, and one day I will fix some concrete here and doing all decoration around, because when it's raining, man, you can't step here, you know. And in future, apart from putting the concrete, in future, this kitchen for my mom, when I'm trying to push this house back and kitchen back, so the gate will be here, because here we have the gutters, so maybe it gonna maybe affect people who are passing here and maybe knocking their head here, because this house, it's on a somehow a bit small, or the height of the house you can't see. So one day I will push this kitchen to other side, some like, let me say 4 feet from the gutters, coming this way, and the gate will be there. So that is it, and I need to remove this sand, so I'm waiting my brother to hold for me a camera while I'm taking the sand outside, because guys, this is an amazing job ever, guys, and I can't take for granted. I'm here, guys, to say thank you so much. We stand with me until the end. And oh guys, I learned something here, guys. Imagine. So this is the tank. Yep, you can see inlet and outlet plumbing. So this is like precaution. Inlet and outlet plumbing, mounting space, and particularly constructed drilling should be done exclusive. All right, that is the first point. You know, I brought the tank and I haven't knew that this something is here, or precaution. It's because maybe when it's laying down, I can't see this one here. So it's written Ndovu tank installation and plumbing. Oh man, even it has some email there. So, and done exclusive this started areas using drilling machine and hole power. So attention should be, hey man, it's so you can learn something from here. But this tank also, when maybe our house it's somehow a bit tight, like this one here or this one for my mom, you can construct things like circular, you cement it on top, and then the tank will be sit on those circular stuff. But like this one here, but this one we dig on the ground some 3 feet. And also you can fix the tank by using some steps like ladder. You can see here, this is the ladder you're climbing, going inside here. So this is the metal rod that have been put in here by the welding, and it's increasing lifespan of the tank, and certification can be achieved by taking proper care of our product during the installation process, and the warranty will be voided if proper care is not taken during the installation. Kindly consult a professional when in depth regarding any matter of the plumbing and installation project. Wow, guys, so I learned something new when I brought that tank. Maybe next time this one could be for my mom. Maybe let me say less than 5 years coming, when I build my own house, but I can't go aside, I can't go far away. It's where I place the toilet, maybe aside. So when I build maybe my house and then I have this tank, I learn something. But for mine, it could be have like this metal rod going high, and then the tank could be on top. And then also we can generate by using the motor. You can see this is the motor here. So that being said, maybe the water will maybe be pumped from the well going to the tank, and then from the tank this motor will push maybe water circulate the house. For me, for example, if I want maybe this water could run going that way to the washroom, I will fix on that tap, and then it kind of going. But for now, for instance, let's maybe the water will be there, and actually this tap 24 hours will be working, not being closed. You can see this one here. So guys, imagine, so try to imagine the tap will running, the pipe like this one here, we running on the ground. God is good, man. So technically I want to take you outside. So that being said, guys, when I start taking that sand from the compound, I'll come and then pour it here. You see here, guys, maybe one of these days I will make some bricks, so I'll pour it here around, and let's see, when God opened the door, I'll fix the ties. I'm telling you, this project here, every day I'll come here saying, oh, whoa, whoa, look how the village goat looks like. Look. Calm down, I want to removing you from this place. Oh man, it's so hard. Calm down, man. Wow. Pull up. Wow. So as you can see this place, how it looks like, and it's a good thing. So now you are okay, your kids are there. So guys, believe on me, maybe guys, if you are in touch on my work that I've been doing in my village here, less than 4 months building this toilet, it's slowly, because of maybe lack of capital, lack of material. When I get maybe some amount of money, me, I'm always running to my project. Because when I get the money, I see what is messing up on my project. I buy this, I purchase this, and then the end of the day, I finish up. You see how it's coming up? So, that being said earlier here, I will apply maybe some rough cast and also there, but the smooth one, it's painting, man. Like crazy. So from here, going this way, up to there, it's tiles, and also inside here. And actually, man, I will fix here the stuff for washing hand, and then the soap liquid, and also a small drum here. So actually every day I will make sure that it's full of water, because right now we doesn't have maybe power to generate water maybe around the washroom, around the toilet. So I supposed to put here some drum, and then it's gonna be enclosed here, and then maybe daytime we'll open, and then we'll wash your hand after maybe visiting the toilet. So hygiene are very, very important. And guys, if you want to support maybe in terms of one room for the tiles, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you maybe for in touch to support me, and 100% I need your full support. One love. I learned something from Jamaican uncle. Enough love. But if you are Jamaica, you have already understand. And also maybe for example I'm Hello Baby, and then for me I want maybe to put the tiles inside. Maybe guys, your part will be from here, maybe one washroom up to this side. You put to say hello, oh, fix your mom washroom. I fix on the tiles even outside, and then your place will be ended. And then maybe next I'll done my part washroom, and then like that way, one after each other. So I think that is my best way. And no man is perfect, you know. I see maybe the haters from my village try to put me down, but I'm stand strong to say no. When I'm saying no, I mean no with full stop, because nobody can maybe try to see you are making good thing, you want to succeed in life. So the work is to sit down and then blagging things, spreading the lies. But I know if you are negative haters, you just believe on it. And for me, I'm just move with positive people. And always, if you see these things, they are here. It's only positive vibe, positive people who supporting me up to nowadays. And I'm really saying thank you so much. Thank you so much, my fans outside there. And also, I want to say, Team Mara, always thank you a million. I'm standing for Team Mara. Thank you a million for, because no one who can put Team Mara down. Ever. Trust me. Team Mara always stand and say no. You know, for us, we don't like haters to stand for us. For me, as Hello Baby, I stand strong, man. I stand strong, and then I mind my own thing. I shoot my videos. If you don't believe, guys, I swear in God, if you want to purchase some nails, like 5 nails, I make a video, I show you everything. So why not? Why not people start maybe blame on me, say, oh, Hello Baby, this and this. I don't like. You know, for me, in God, I believe it. One day it can happen, you know. So like such a thing like this, stand all this project from scratch up to here, guys. I swear in God, it's full of support, and I make my evidence. My video is there when I started these things. If you don't believe, go and watch for it, and then man, you'll be very coming close to me, watching my videos from scratch up to where this construction of my toilet reach. And I thank God for this far, because nothing is possible. So guys, I'm going to Watertown, and then I'll come back after a few minutes. Oh, the sun is going that way, so you can see the keys of the goat is basking in the sun. And look, what man. All right, so after coming from Border Town, guys, their work is to take the sand outside, and then I said goodbye, and it depends the time when you are going to make these videos, you know. Oh guys, that's my hairstyle. See, look. Wow. So my baby is waiting me there, and it's gonna take me outside to the Border Town, guys. So stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, guys. I love you. Wow, guys, so because of time, guys, maybe it depends which time, and maybe exact time when you get this vlog. And actually I want to take the sand outside. So that being said, man, because of rain, I see it's on rain right now, so oh, maybe this way. Okay, I'm trying to look. Oh, African cock. Wow, guys. Alright, so I want to take this sand outside. So that being said earlier, and that is it. Oh. No, guys, you must use manpower. Right, this side. Hey, madam. I'm sorry, okay, guys. The work here, camera from canal here. Hey. What is it? Madam, come here, put select the alcohol. Ego. Wow, guys. Wow, guys, so because of time I needed to finish earlier. Whew. Wow, guys, so that is it. Wow. I need to make exercise, man. Lots. Okay. Okay, guys. This is heavy work, you know. Yeah, we use power. We use what? Power. Wow. When they come like twice, Hey, hey, hey. Guys, I'm so tired. Wow, it's because of time. We finish up because the rain is coming. Look. Wow. Help me to scoop, man. I want to try to push it out. And maybe if they are needed, we'll go and then take from outside rather than staying here. Wow. I'm a soldier. Pull up again. I'm a soldier. Yes, you see how I'm working. You're working with my brother. Also, my mom, she was working 100%. She was working so hard, you know. So in this family, maybe my sister, but in future, she was working so hard also. Maybe in academic. Woo! Yeah, that's my brother. Yo, man. We pull up outside. You know, guys, see how our home looks like. Very beautiful, guys. Look, very beautiful, very beautiful. But this one, maybe the stuff remaining up. I want to see imagination how water will run from there. From that pipe, imagine. From this pipe here. Running like this way, coming this way from there, reaching this one and then climbing here. I want to see. And I know what have some we call force pressure. Alright. You want to push? Okay. Make practice, man. Oh, my brother, that's a good. Yes, I want to open for him a gate. Like right now, guys. Whew. Well, guys, so because of time, I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. So let me end my video here in good way. So the sun is going that way, and that's my brother. So remaining like 3 trips, we finish everything. Woo! I'm so tired, man. Wow. So this I think this one trip, and then when it came for the second time, we collect it. So guys, let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. May God bless you for standing with me up to right now, because this work is so tough. And when I wake up early in the morning from my house and then see the tank lying here and the water is running down like crazy, but right now we harvest maybe a lot of water, a lot, and then this tank will have outlet. Maybe the outlet will be fixed here. When it's full of water, it's throw water like going sideways. So guys, thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. I love you from my bottom of my heart, from East Africa, Kenya, and actually this I'm calling home, guys. Bye.